Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to mute the audio on Google Meet web application. So the first thing to do is to access your Google Meet account, and to do so, if you are going to go to your Google Chrome browser and search for these Google apps, because you are going to find it here in the browser, or you can click here on your profile and search for manage your Google account. You click on the manage Google account and you will find this Google apps icon. You search for Meet and then it will take you to the Google Meet application. Otherwise, if you are using a different web browser, you can just search for Google Meet in the browser, and then it will take you to the link of it. And of course, then you will be able to connect to your Google Meet account by entering your Google informations or your Google username, etc. And all it remains to do now is to follow these simple steps. So the first thing to do is to join a meeting or create a new one, so I can show you how to mute your voice. So basically you are going to click on create a new meeting, and here I'm going to start an instant meeting. And basically now you will find yourself here, and as you can see you will find other options here in this toolbar at the bottom, and there is something that is called mute the microphone, or turn off microphone. And basically when you click on this turn off microphone, now you are being muted and you cannot talk. And you, as you can see, I have this mic icon that says that I am mute. And basically by clicking on this, you are just being mute and you cannot talk now, and this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.